Hey everyone. So no, I haven't like vlogged at all today and it's almost 7 o'clock, but I thought I'd start out the vlog with me giving Skip a bath. I just like put him in a little bit of water every now and then. It has like the tiniest bit of soap in there, and I'm just gonna put him in there and just let him move around. He always tries to get out, but yeah, just do that every now and then so he can get nice and clean, and watch him trying to get out. You see, he tries to get out. I don't think he likes water very much. You're a bird. You're supposed to like bird baths. He is like being really loud. I don't know if you guys can like tell like how loud he's being right now, but yeah. Don't wet up the camera, dude. Yeah, he doesn't really like the water very much. You're getting me all wet. You don't like that? You don't like that? Let me get it out. Let me get him out and onto the towel. And then I just wrap him up and keep him in there for a little bit so he stays nice and warm, and I just hold him for a little while. So yeah, he's nice and warm. So it's like 9:30 and yeah, I haven't really been doing much other than watching YouTube videos like interviews and behind the scenes stuff for The Fault in Our Stars, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been doing like all day, is watching that kind of stuff. And I watched a few other YouTube videos, but yeah. So Skip's eating right now, and he stayed wrapped up in that towel for a while, which I was surprised because he always tries to like wiggle out, but I guess he thought it was like nice and warm in there, so he stayed in there for a while. And yeah, I know today's vlog is kind of boring, which I mean, I think all my vlogs are boring, to be honest, like, but like I just want to make my goal of the 3 months and then I'm gonna stop. Like, I've made that decision that after the 3 months is up, June 10th will be my last daily vlog, and then I'll probably just do one every now and then when I'm actually doing something interesting or I just feel like vlogging. And yeah, so I'll probably make a vlog when well, I'll still be daily vlogging then, never mind. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Probably gonna eat soon. Yeah, I need to get something to drink because I'm thirsty. And I just want to say, like, I just really love this cup. I just think it's like so cute. I just love it. I like use it all the time now. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I need to stop saying yeah after every clip. So it's almost midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this very short vlog here for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.